With the Total Protection Roofing System from Owens Corning, you can be confident that your roof is designed to perform in 3 critical areas for a high-performance roof: seal, defend, breathe. Seal helps create a waterproof barrier. Owens Corning's self-adhered ice and water barrier products protect the most vulnerable areas. A synthetic underlayment creates a secondary barrier against water infiltration. Plus, your roof should defend against nature's elements. Your roof should be designed to help defend your home from wind, rain, sun, ice, hail, and snow. And finally, your new roof will breathe. Intake and exhaust vents help create balanced airflow in the attic, reducing heat and moisture that can lead to ice damming, mold infestation, and helping save on energy costs.
Hi, I'm Luke Wilson, the owner of Skywalker Roofing. At Skywalker Roofing, the more we think about your roof, the less you have to. There's nothing more fundamental than a roof over your head. So when it's time to replace your aging roof, we understand it's a decision that you want to get right. Thanks for considering Skywalker Roofing to install your Owens Corning roofing system. We're proud to be an Owens Corning Roofing Platinum Preferred Contractor, and by choosing us, you can be confident that you're getting a high-quality product installed by local experts. We offer residential and commercial roofing.
When the job is complete, you'll see a beautiful roof. What we see is a world of science at work. And when your neighbors, friends, and family see a brand new roof on your home, we want you to be proud too.